The distance from Leek to Milton is 310 miles. A train travels this distance in 4 hours and 15 minutes. Calculate the average speed of the train. So whenever we're looking at speed, distance, time, I need to look at that triangle, which is the do stop talking triangle. Do stop talking. And this tells me exactly what I've got to do. So here's a division line, and I always put a little times here on the bottom line to remind me. So let's figure out what we've got so far. So we've got that the distance is 310 miles. We've got that the time is 4 hours 15 minutes. Now, I'm not going to be able to use that at the moment because of this 15 minutes. I need it all to be in hours. So I need to think, well, 15 minutes is what of an hour? So let's think that 15 is 15 minutes out of 60 minutes because there's 60 minutes in an hour. And if I put that on my calculator, I can turn it into a decimal. So 15 out of 60 using my fraction button, and I get a quarter or 0.25. So actually the time in this case is 4.25, 4 hours 0.25. So distance was 310, time is 4.25. Now I want to know what the speed is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover up the speed in my triangle. And the triangle therefore tells me what I have to do. I have to do the distance divided by the time. Distance divided by the time. My distance was 310 divided by my time, which is 4.25. I'm also going to put the units in here because that helps me with the units in minutes. So it was 310 miles and 4.25 hours. So I can do that on my calculator. 310 divided by 4.25, and I get 72.9 rounded to one decimal place. And then I can use the units that I wrote earlier to figure out what units it is now. So it's miles per hour miles per hour.